Moomoo versus Robinhood, which investment platform is best for you? Here's the core offerings. Moomoo specializes in US/HK stocks with advanced charting and level 2 data. Robinhood focuses on US markets with cryptocurrency trading and IRA options. Moomoo has 0.50 option contract plus regulatory fees, with Robinhood having 0.5/contract, 35 cents with gold, plus lower margin rates. Moomoo has paper trading, 1M virtual funds, and HK market access, with Robinhood having crypto trading, 20 plus coins, IRA with 1 to 3% match. Moomoo has a 4.8% US stock for margin rates, while Robinhood have 5.75%, anything less than a 50K balance. The Moomoo mobile app has 4.3/5 feature rich, with Robinhood having 4.7 out of 5. Moomoo Promotions has 60 free stocks, with Robinhood having 1,500 referral bonus plus a free stock. Here's the strength. Moomoo excels in market depth with real-time data and global access, including Hong Kong stocks. Robinhood leads in accessibility with financial shares and crypto integration. Here's some 2025 considerations. Robinhood Gold has $5 to $50 a month, potential 2025 price increase for lower option fees. Moomoo's Edge has IPO participation with REITs unavailable on Robinhood. The security is both offered 2FA and SIPC protection. So who should choose which? Moomoo is best for active traders needing technical analysis tools and international exposure, with Robinhood best for beginners prioritizing simplicity and crypto/stocks unification. Here's some hidden factors. For tax tools, Moomoo offer capital gain reports, with Robinhood focuses on tax crypto forms. The order types is that Moomoo supports trailing stops, with Robinhood limits advanced orders. The community, Robinhood's social features versus Moomoo's professional research. For new investors, Robinhood intuitive interface and crypto options make it ideal, but for active traders, they will benefit most likely from Moomoo's paper trading and global market access. Subscribe.